In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB Physics repeated questions under the subtopic center of gravity and stability in equilibrium of forces. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, the diagram above shows a solid figure with base P, Q and center of gravity G on an inclined plane. Which of the following statements is correct? We have option A. The solid can never fall over. The solid will fall over if the vertical line through G lies outside the base. The solid will not fall over if the vertical line through G lies outside the base. The solid will fall over if the vertical line through G lies inside the base. So the correct option in this question will be option B, which is the solid will fall over if the vertical line through G lies outside the base. Take note of this particular question, guys. Okay, the next repeated question will be this one. It says, the diagram above shows a plank RS pivoted at its center of gravity O and is in equilibrium with the weight P and Q. If a weight 2P is added to P, the plank will be in equilibrium again by moving P nearer to O, adding a weight Q to O, moving P farther away from O, moving Q nearer to O. So guys, the correct option to this question will be option A, which is moving P nearer to O. Take note of this particular question as well, guys. Next question will be this one. It says, the diagrams above show the positions of a cone. The position, which can be described as neutral equilibrium, is represented as. The correct option to this question will be option C, which is Z only. Guys, take note of this particular question as well. Z here shows neutral equilibrium of the cone. Alright, so the next question will be this one. It says, the diagram above represents balls in an undulating surface. Which of the following option represents position of stable equilibrium? Also take note of this question. So III represents, VI represents, IX represents. So the correct option will be option C, which is III, IV and IX. So the correct option will be option D, which is III, VI and IX. Alright, option D is the right option to this question. Take note of this particular question as well. Okay, the next question will be this question. It says, which of the following is in a state of unstable equilibrium? So for this particular question, the diagram that shows an unstable equilibrium is this option B. Alright, take note of this question as well. The next question will be this one. It says, which of the following statements describes a body in a stable equilibrium correctly? Person walking on a tightrope, ball in the middle of a hemisphere bowl, ball resting on an inverted hemisphere bowl, ball on a smooth horizontal table. So the correct option is option B, which is ball in the middle of a hemispherical bowl. Okay, the next question will be this one. So guys, before we attempt this question, if you are new to our channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. Really appreciate this. The question says, which of the following is in a state of unstable equilibrium? I think we've answered this question before. The correct option here is option B. Alright, next question will be this one. It says, which of the following bodies, each with center of gravity G, lying on a horizontal table, is in unstable equilibrium? So guys, for this particular question, is this figure we have here, this diagram III. Alright, this one my arrow is pointing at. That's the correct option. So option D is III only. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says, which of the diagrams below shows the position at which a small ball bearing is in neutral equilibrium? Also take note of this particular question. The right option here will be option D. Alright, so that's it for this question. The next question will be this question. It says, name the type of equilibrium for each position of the ball. So we have now, guys, from this diagram we have here, the correct option to this question will be, yeah, A is unstable, is correct. B is stable is correct. C is neutral is correct. So option A is the right option. A being unstable, B being stable, C being neutral. Alright, so that's it for this question. The next question will be this question. It says the diagram above that shows the position of the cone. The position which can be described as neutral equilibrium is represented as, so I think we have answered this question before. Is option D, which is Z only. Alright, the next question will be this one. It says which of the following statements describe the body in stable equilibrium correctly? I think we have also answered this question before. We got the right option to be ball in the middle of a hemispherical bowl, option D. Alright, next question will be this one. It says which of the following objects is in a state of neutral equilibrium? I think we have answered this question as well before. The correct option here is option C. Okay, the last question before we call it a class will be this one. It says a cone is in unstable equilibrium, has its potential energy unchanged, oscillating, increase, decrease. The correct option is option D, which is decrease. So this basically can do problems involving center of gravity and stability of equilibrium of forces in your JAMB Physics. Hope you learned something interesting for this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to our channel, once make sure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of our videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting special information that will help to simplify your academic work. Join us now if glad you did. Having known that, click on the end screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.